Good morning, everyone. Just want to show you how we can do the basic assembly. You're going to open new. If you want to open new, the first thing you need to do is not assembly. It's a part. Without the component, you cannot doing any assemblies. We start making parts. So do 2D. Just remember which one you need to choose. If assembly in the same surface, you should choose all the same. So for example, in this case, I'm going to choose X and Y. Okay, so let's start it. First thing, I want to build a block. This block can be in a certain size, 50, tab, 100. And then I put a hole here, I say 20 in diameter. Finish. And I put a little bit down, and then extrude. I want to extrude this one by 50 mil. The whole size is 50 mil. Or 2 mil around. Make it a little bit fancy. Therefore, 2 mil is very small, and there's no sharp edge for any one of these. See that? Even the one behind, you can do it. Apply. Okay, cancel. And choose the material. I can choose I'm going to choose the steel. Stainless steel, polish. It's very shining. Okay, I'm happy with this. First thing you need to do after you draw a part, you need to save. Save as. And the format will be IPT base. I call this one base. Now maybe machine base. Okay, so that's machine base. I'm going to open a new one. Okay, again, I'm going to be making the drawing on XY panel. And this time, what I need to do is making 20 mil and finish. And then extrude, not 10 mil, but 100 mil. Brush steel. Save as. Remember the one I did is machine base. So click on there, you got the name. So I just change base to shaft. Okay, it's been saved. Alright, so now I'm building the next one, next parts. 2D drawings, X and Y. Alright, so this time I would like to make a panel. So this panel will be 20 mil and 100 mil. Finish sketch, and then I'm going to do the extrude. This one I would like to put a 50 mil. then sharp edge. I may just put 5 mil. Back to 2 mil. On the side. And that's it. Apply. Cancel. Just change the base or the shaft to panel. We've got a few parts that's been completed. I put this one, the same material maybe. And save. Now what I'm going to do now is start to assemble these components. I've got some parts, they're all in here, 1, 2, and 3. What I want to do is open new and go to assembly, standard, create, place from the content center. I'm going to open, just find the parts from the original location, machine base, open. It is allowing me to put anywhere I want. I can tilting up to see what happened, so I can put somewhere here. Okay, when I put somewhere there, when I move, there's another one to move with me. If I click on anywhere, they're going to place another one. What I do is click on OK. So right hand click, click on OK. Place another one. Okay, so here I'm going to place the shaft, open. Don't put it there. It's not assembly function there. You can put 1 or 2. Yeah, right hand click. I just want to put 1 and then place another one. Okay, so this one, the panel, I would like to put 2 panels. That's all the components we want to do it. I'm going to use the constraint to put them together. Go to constraint. Want to constraint them together. I always tell everyone use the first one, mate, and you choose 2 parts together. And this one is very important. You make them together, stick them together. And this is a flush. So first one, I want to make them together. Click on there, click on the first one. I'm going to put this one underneath of that. That's the first one. And then I turn around and they already moved to the second one. Yeah. Never put anything on the edge. So you need to click on apply to finish. So now have a look. What I want to do is move this one flush with that. I change to flush function. This panel flush with that. You can see the flush. This one here, I want to flush on here. Again, flush, apply first, yeah. Again, flush, part 1. Never put on the edge. Now the flush. Apply. Okay. The second part, I do the same thing. I will do the same thing. Apply, flush. And don't forget flush this one. So now you can see it's pretty much flush everything. Okay, so there is a problem. When I show you there, you see the hole has been covered. So I can't fully pull my shaft in there. What I want to do now is I try to make a clearance from there. I click on these components. They will highlight in here. What I can do is click on there and I can see all the functions I did before. This face and this face. The one I want to move out is this tool. I click on there, click again. I can say I can move out 20 mil so that they come out. If I made a mistake, I can put 10 mil or 15 mil or minus. So this one the same. If I click on there, they will highlight in there. So I click on there, I can see this one. So this one there, I put 10 mil. You come into the wrong way. What I do is minus 10. So click on there and see now. And now it's still no good. This one sticking out too much. And this one is also is off the parts. Minus 5 should be okay. This one now, and this one 5, they will come back. So I'm happy with these results. From the other side, you can see it's clear. I'm going to put a shaft in there. I come to constraint and make them together. And when I highlight this, they will show me the center line. So S's. Stay there and S's. Okay, now apply. Close there. And this one can go in and out, but not left to right. I want to flush this one with this face. What I want to do is go to constraint and flush this face, second face, the flush. It's too far down. You see that? It's too far down. What I'm going to do is offset from this face 10 mil. So I can put opposite, because they insert more 10 mil. What I'm going to do is change that. Remember, we already apply. Remember how to do it. Click on these parts. It will highlight in there. And then coming to here and got there is 10 mil. And now I want to do minus 10. They will stick out. So this one stick out. So whenever you move, it doesn't come out or in. And they stay there. When we finish, we're going to save as. And you say machine assembly. This is IAM format. Don't forget. Whenever you save, just remember IAM. Open new. If I want to open new one, so IDW, create it, and go to base, and the base in there. That's your machines. What you need to do is which phase you want to do it. So Australian standard, you can say okay. This one click on there, and this one click on there. And also you can change different views. So that's a top view, there's a front view, there's a right side view. And the scale is 1:1. You can put a little bit larger. Need to move around. The scale is 2:1. So that's the basic drawing assembly and converted to IDW assembly. That's Australian standard title block. Thank you.